Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to simplify this Math Olympiad problem. 6 to the power 7 minus 6 is equal to what? Calculator not allowed is equal to 6 to the power 7 can be written as 1 plus 6 minus 6 is equal to, now we know that a exponent rule a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So we can write here 6 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 1 minus 6 is equal to 6 to the power 6 times 6 to the power 1 is 6 minus 6 is equal to, now taking common 6 we will get 6 to the power 6 minus 1 is equal to 6 times 6 to the power, this 6 can be written as 3 times 2 minus 1. Now we know that a exponent formula a to the power m n is equal to a to the power m whole to the power n. So apply this rule, we can write 6 times 6 to the power 3 whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square is equal to, now we know a algebraic formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So apply this rule, we can write 6 times 6 cube minus 1 times 6 cube plus 1 is equal to 6 times, now 6 cube, that means 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. So we can write here 216 minus 1 times 216 plus 1 is equal to 6 times 215 times 217 is equal to 6 times, now 215 and here we will get 217. So we can write here 215 times 217 can be written as 200 plus 10 plus 7 is equal to 6 times, now we can write here 215 times 200 plus 215 times 10 plus 215 times 7 is equal to 6 times, now multiply 2 times 5 is 10, we can write 0, 1 is carry, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4 with this 2 zeros plus, we know 1 times 215 is 215 with this 0 plus 5 times 7 is 35, we can write here 5, 3 will be carry, 7 times 1 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, we can write 0, 1 will be carry, 2 times 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 is equal to 6 times, now adding this 3 number we can write 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6 and this 4, okay, is equal to, now 6 times 5 is 30, we can write 0, 3 will be carry, now 6 times 5 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33, we can write 3, 3 will be carry, now 6 times 6 is 36, 36 plus 3 is 39, we can write 9, 3 will be carry, now again 6 times 6 is 36, 36 plus 3 is 39, we can write 9, 3 will be carry. Now 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 27, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.